Good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome back, everyone. We are looking at Bitcoin right now on a this is a weekly time frame because today is the weekly close. And I just want to reiterate, I just want to see what happens at 17.6. If we get that level tested today, I won't be surprised. If that level breaks, I give you guys my other level if you watched our previous video. If not, watch the last two videos. You will save yourself a lot of money and losses if you're just aware of those levels. Right, now let's go to the daily. Yesterday was literally sideways action. People in our group shorted. We are still short, waiting for something to happen. Stop loss above. If the short does play out, we won't go above about 19.5. Yeah, 19.5. 19,450. So our short stop loss, if you're taking a short around 19.2 to 19.3, it should be around 19,450. If we get to 19,450, the next level of short would be like 19.8. But we need to keep in mind that today is the, excuse me, excuse me, guys. Today is the month, not the monthly close, but the monthly close is coming up. It's not looking great. Today's the weekly close, and as the weekly close is coming, if we want to like poke up into the close, it can happen. But ideally, we want to see a downward move. The selling has subsided on a daily time frame. Today's volume is like lackluster because it's brand new candle. We've got 12 hours a day left. Let's see. First warning will be 19. 250. If we start closing above 19,250 with an hourly, your chances of that 19,450 level coming is higher. But if we can't break above 19,250, I'm looking for that 17.6 retest. The retest of all these naked point of controls over here. Okay, all that money is just waiting and sitting. So watch out for that liquidity grab today. It might even just tap it and then pump. So be careful. Right now, all the EMAs are still in a bearish posture, but we are curving sideways, ready to test up. So be warned, if we start getting above that 19,250 level, it's a little bit of a warning sign that, hey, the possibilities of going higher are there. On a 4-hour level, we have our resistance at 19,350. So after a 4-hour open and close above 19,350, you should be very, very on alert for the risk of 19,450 breaking. And after 19,450, we got much higher levels to be testing, such as like the monthly at 19.8. You can even go all the way to 20.50, the monthly open level, and then we can test the 200. But let's go level by level, and as the price matures, I will keep everyone updated because today I'm going to be doing a lot of trading. Last thing I want to see is on this 4-hour, the divergence in volume. Volume is completely coming down to a lackluster. We are going sideways. Which way we want to break, whenever that break happens, it might be a little bit significant. So be careful on this, okay, guys? It's not the time to be greedy. It's time to be cautious and smart with your entries, exits, stop losses, take profits. Okay, so let's just go now to Ethereum. I'll explain to what happened to Ethereum yesterday. We were trading and some people actually got stopped out, but here's Ethereum. On a weekly level, Ethereum is playing this freaking game of limbo between making the weekly close bullish and bearish, and we're fighting 1325. That is the level to close above if this candle is going to be green, and 1325 if we close under it, this candle will be red. 1320 is the daily WAP. So between a $5 variance is the only thing holding us up until a much quicker move down. The 4-hour candle closes in about 15 minutes, and that should cement, is this a doji, or is this volume that's increasing on sell side going to start going much lower after the next 4-hour close? And another thing I want to point out, Ethereum should be opening around 1289, and Bitcoin should be around 18,750 at around 6 p.m. today. Price should be gravitating towards those areas. So just logically, if price is up here and we're supposed to be at 1289, you can short. If price is over here and we're supposed to be at 1289, you can long. Know what you're supposed to be expecting, and at the time of CME open, you should be expecting that. So wherever price is, it's going to come back to that level fast. Here is our monthly close. Don't look that great either. Okay, volume is increasing. This is not slowing down. It's still pretty high. So I just wanted to point all that out. I showed you the CME. Here's the daily now on Ethereum. We are fighting our level of resistance, which is 1325. And last night we went to we were shorting. Members shorted 1345. We took profit at around 1300-ish, 1310. And then I actually re-shorted at 1325 with the stop loss at 1330 when I went to sleep. 1330 got stopped out, and then I re-entered at 1325 in the morning. And now I'm waiting to see, are we going to close under 1325 or above? If 1325 cannot be broken up for the 4-hour close, I'm looking for that rollover, and I'm going to let my short ride until CME open, at least to 1300. I want to take profit, and then if we can get to 1290 and under, even better. You know, I'll let the short ride for a while because I am not in a bullish stance. So that's one thing. If we start closing above 1350, then the risk of 1420 is there. 1420 is the next level I'm watching after 1350. And I'm sorry I'm giving you much more details on Ethereum than Bitcoin because I'm only really focusing on Ethereum. I feel like there's a lot of opportunity in this asset right now, so it's following technical analysis pretty well too. So I'm messing with this. Right now, 21 EMA is just about to cross under the 9. And then we can see if that will kick off like a big push to the downside. As I was showing members, this is a little bit of a head and shoulder formation, all lower highs, and I'm just waiting for the rolling hill distribution to kick off. Might be kicking off right after this video is released because it's the 4-hour candle will close. So I'm gonna get this video out to you guys ASAP. Like I was saying, if we get above 1420, yeah, right here, 1420, the next level will be around 1500. Okay, 1500 to 1550. So those are the levels we're looking for upside. Downside, I'm looking for these naked point of controls. First, 1290. That is definitely a TP1. Then I'm looking for 1250 and then all the way back to 1200. So basically like $50 increments. So here we go. We're gonna see how the rest of the days goes, guys. Please feel free to join us on the Discord. We're gonna be doing some live scalping like yesterday. It was fun. Everyone made good money. That's how we want to keep it. If you could, I would greatly appreciate a like, a subscribe, press the bell button notification if you have it so you get these real-time updates to trade with us whenever possible. Please do feel free to leave me a comment if you have any questions, concerns, or just want to say hello, wish me a good weekend. I greatly appreciate it. Last but not least, our members is officially closed. We have filled all the spots. Thank you so much to you guys who were interested, and once again, thank you for the members who actually did participate. We are gonna be making some cool changes moving forward, and I'm glad that you guys are here to help direct those changes, so we are catering to exactly what you guys are looking for. Last but not least, guys, please feel free to contact me at any questions or concerns in the videos or Discord. The link for the Discord is in the description of this video. Feel free to join. And in November, I will be figuring out what we're going to be doing for the additional members who are interested. So stay tuned. We will see very soon new great things. The last thing I wanted to say today, keep in mind CME opens at 6 p.m. Central. Daily candle closes at 8 p.m. Central. You got to today keep an eye on Dixie. If Dixie when markets open, if Dixie continues to go up, you're gonna see the sell pressure on Bitcoin increase exponentially. Okay, because this can start gunning. If Dixie starts pulling back, okay, we need to see how low it goes. You will see all assets rise as it's pulling back, and right now it does look like it's gonna at least pull back to like 112. But if it goes 112 to 110, you're gonna get that nice rally on stocks, crypto, and everything, because the whole market last week was oversold. So if we get this rally coming into Monday open, don't let it discourage you. More than likely, it will come to support and bounce back up. We just gotta wait for a daily close or two, and then we have to reassess. So If our stops hit, we're not gonna cry. We're just gonna reassess our entry exits and see when we want to attempt the next trade, because everything we're doing on Bitcoin and Ethereum analysis is great, but this thing is going to control a lot more than technical analysis on Bitcoin and Ethereum. And right now, my technical analysis on this is just basically upwards. So I'm waiting to see if we hit this 114, 113 level, and then we have much higher levels. But this level is the first level of resistance after the breakout. So yeah, guys, it is not the greatest of news, because as dollar rises, all other assets will feel some pain. So it's not the ideal scenario, but if you know what's happening and you trade it properly, you can prevent yourself from losing more money than you need to, okay? All right, guys. Well, that's about it. Have a great day. I'm going to get this video out to you guys. Talk to you soon, okay? Be safe, and I'll see you in our Discord for the live trading. Everyone is welcome. It's free.